Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on this, and it makes me happy when people try it and then try to go further. They're trying to do this right here with like 3 different blends. And the only step he's really missing is one step. So if you convert this to a curve, you get nodes. If you take this and right click and break it apart, and then take these two and right click and break it apart, you would think that would work. So let's take our blend colors. Let's make them a little bit bigger this time. I'm going to go to effects and blend them that 200 times. But then when I go to blend along full path, it does the whole heart. And that's not what it wants. The reason for that is that this is still one group. So we need to go to object and break the curve apart. That way you have individual lines. Now I would suggest to leave it where it's at. I'm gonna, you know what, I don't think I can copy that blend, so let's just make another one. Make an ellipse. I use red and yellow, but I take away the outline, because then when you have the yellow, the outline would show, and I draw in red. So we have those two now. That might be a little bit big. So let's make a couple of copies of them. And then we're going to take the last two and we're going to, I didn't make it, plus key didn't do it. I'm going to take these two right here. Whenever that happens, it's because there's another copy. If you can't ever blend, there's 4. Then go blend along full path, or then blend, put it on the path and blend along full path. See, it only does that side. And then take this one, and you could reverse them. Let's put the yellow over here. Maybe it'll make a difference. Apply, blend along new path, and blend along full path. See, it reversed them. And then we only need to do one more. See, there must be a copy of those. I must have hit the plus key and didn't move them. Blend along, and you could actually break these two heart parts up. Apply, blend along full path, apply, and now we've got the two reds together. And because it's a blend, there's no mirror. But what you could do is hold down your 2-sided arrow, hold down your control button and do that, and then just place it as close as you can to it. And you can always minutely move it. Like if you go 0.001, just grab that and you can just nudge it over ever so slightly. That's actually 2. Let's go 0.01 and nudge that over ever so slightly. And so you can get it right on there. And then if you look at it with the black box around it, it really shows off. I don't know what colors he's planning on using, but you could actually break that apart and have the humps different. I like it. It makes me appreciative when people take my video and try to make it a little add to it. Anyway, hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.